How a career counselor can start their first career counseling with confidence. Why people are not able to start their career counseling just after practice? What is stopping them? I am Ankit Agrawal. I am the co-founder of Edumilestones, Certified Career Analyst. Welcome to Certified Career Analyst Knowledge Series channel. In this video, I am going to cover how a career counselor can start their first career counseling with confidence. We have trained more than 3,000 career counselors in last 10 years across the India. We have seen these career counselors' growth from scratch to the heights. Now, whatever learnings we have got in last 10 years, I am going to share all these learnings in this video. What are the three challenges these career counselors face? The first and the most important challenge is fear of unknown or the confidence. I am not having the enough confidence. Can I start my career counseling immediately just after the training? What if parents ask me many questions and I am not able to provide them all the answers? What if I provide wrong recommendations? What will and something goes wrong? Whether I am having all the knowledge or whether I am having the enough knowledge to provide the career counseling. And there are many unknown fears are there in the counselor's mind. Second thing, where to start, right? Where will I get the students, isn't it? So many questions related with the how will I get the initial students. Third challenge, what is the process? From where should I start, where I should end, what will be the entire process of career counseling? So in this video, I am going to cover one by one how you can provide a proper counseling with full of the confidence. Let's start with first fear of unknown or the confidence. See, you need to understand career counseling is a knowledge-based industry. You need skills, right? Now, knowledge can be acquired, but skills comes only with practice. You need to practice, then only you will acquire all the required skills. Now, when it comes on the knowledge, there are many courses are available. There are a lot of sources are available to acquire this knowledge. You can do certified career analyst, or there are many courses are there, many articles and open source information is there. But whether to start your career counseling practice, you need all this knowledge, you should be fully knowledgeable, then only can you start? No, right? Knowledge is an ongoing process, right? You should know what the source of the knowledge, from where you want to acquire this knowledge, isn't it? Second, you should know how to utilize this knowledge, right? And after that, the most important thing is practice. Immediately you start doing the practice. Now, motivation is something that comes with these stages. It will not come overnight. I have done a course, I am expert now, immediately I can provide counseling to 100 of the students. Trust me, this is never going to happen. The first and most important step is acquire the knowledge. It will give you some kind of a confidence. Second thing is do some kind of assignment, some kind of a case studies, right? That will make you equipped with some initial knowledge. After that, you know to whom you need to start your first career counseling? On yourself, isn't it? You know yourself the best. Try a career counseling first on yourself, right? Complete the entire assessment on yourself, right? Complete the entire process. See whatever analysis you have done, whatever recommendations are coming, is it matching or not matching? Before going to the open market or before start providing career counseling to unknown students, you need to find out 5 students from your own network. It can be your friends, kids, it can be from your society, it can be known students, right? You say to them, I have done a career counseling course, right? I'll provide you career counseling free of cost, right? Now, you conduct career counseling first on them, right? Now, again here, when you are providing career counseling to these known students, right? Straight away you cannot provide. The most important thing is you need some initial mentor who will provide you the hand holding, right? Under mentor supervision, you provide career counseling to these known students. Are you getting my point? Now here again, don't say to a mentor, you provide the career counseling, I'll observe you. No, it's a wrong strategy, right? You need to provide the career counseling, but before providing the career counseling, you need to discuss this entire case with your mentor. Okay, you need to take supervision from the mentor whether my analysis is right, this is a process flow I am going to follow, right? These are the recommendations I am going to give, right? You discuss that case with the mentor and then provide career counseling to known students, right? This is the first step. Now this will boost your confidence because you will execute at least 5 or 4 end-to-end cases starting from beginning till end. Take the testimonials, whatever feedback you are getting it, discuss with your mentor, improvise on it, and in this way you will start doing your practice slowly, right? After this thing, once these 5 cases are done, you got some kind of a confidence. After that, you can start providing career counseling to their friends, to their relatives. Then in this way, you can start career counseling first with yourself, then the known people, then their known people, and then you can start your marketing efforts and you can provide the career counselings in a bigger way. Okay, so don't think so straight away you are going to provide career counselings to thousands of the students. It never work. You need to start and you need to grow gradually, right? Second, the most important step is to know the entire process of career counseling, from where you should start and where you should end. You should have the complete understanding of this entire process. Now, how this process starts? This entire process starts with a pre-counseling. Trust me, pre-counseling is the most important step of this entire career counseling process. Now, what we do in pre-counseling, if any student is looking for counseling, we spend some time before the assessment with this student. We try to understand his hobbies, his interest areas, why he is looking for career counseling, right? There must be some need, that's why he has come to you, isn't it? So you need to spend some time with this student, and here only one thing you need to do, listen, isn't it? You need to ask more and more questions to the student, and you need to understand about his hobbies, his interests, what is the problem statement he is facing, what his expectations from this counseling, right? Gather as much as information is possible. Now, at the end of this video, in the description box, I am also going to share with you one link, the template, what are the questions you should ask to the student as a part of pre-counseling, and what are the information you should gather from the student. So this will be available in the description box at the end of the video. I'll share this link in the description box, right? So first and the most important step is pre-counseling. Now second step is a rapport building, right? Now think about, a student is coming to you, he is sharing a lot of personal information with you, right? What you need to do, listen him and try to build some kind of a confidence, right? Now there's so many things probably student would like to discuss with you that he is not able to discuss with his friends, with his family, and he find you as genuine source and he want to discuss with you. Listen, build a confidence. Build a confidence saying that by the time your session is over, I make sure you'll be having the complete clarity which career option is suitable and why it's suitable, right? Build a confidence. He should trust on you as a counselor, and whatever information as a student he is sharing with you, please maintain the confidentiality, right? This is a very confidential information that a student is sharing with you. So first is pre-counseling, second is rapport building. Now after that what? After that comes the most important stage of this entire career counseling process. That is called 360-degree analysis. Now, how you do 360-degree analysis? Now, to do a 360-degree analysis, you need lot of information. Now, as a part of pre-counseling, you have gathered some information from the student, isn't it? Now, what's the other source of the information? You should conduct some kind of a psychometric assessment to gain more and more information from the psychometric point of view and from the abilities point of view, right? Conduct a genuine psychometric assessment. Now, when you are choosing a psychometric assessment, make sure you choose a multiple dimensional psychometric assessment. Now, what is this multiple dimensional psychometric assessment? I have created a separate video on this part. Go to my channel, see a separate video what is multiple dimensional psychometric assessment. I'll also post the link in the description. Go and watch that video. So, second source of the information is psychometric assessment, right? Third source of the information is, if you get opportunity, discuss with their parents what's their expectations, right? What they want their child to do, right? So it means you are having pre-counseling inputs, you are getting inputs from multiple dimensions career assessment, you are getting inputs from parents, probably you are getting inputs from teachers. Now the time comes when, as a career counselor, you should do a 360-degree analysis, right, and prepare your entire report, right? Now, once you have done the entire analysis, you should ready with the complete points that you want to discuss with the parents or with the children. You should be ready with the recommendations. If you are going to give some recommendations, why you are going to give these recommendations? If you are planning to say these are the career options you should avoid, why these career options need to be avoided, all this clarity you should be having, and this is a point when you should take a help of your mentor also. Involve your mentor in this 360-degree analysis. Getting my point? Now, once this 360-degree analysis is done, now the time comes of career counseling, right? Invite the kid, invite their parents, right, and then start providing the counseling. Now, there is one mistake that many new counselors, they make it of upfront only. When they are providing the counseling, they say upfront only, I have analyzed your report, these are the recommendations suitable for you. Is it a right approach? Are you giving the recommendations upfront as a part of the counseling? No. Tell me one thing. If you want to go and watch some movie and somebody come and give you just the climax of the movie, this is what happened in the climax, right? Will you like it? You will never go and watch that movie because you know the climax. You don't know the entire story. You cannot relate with this climax also, isn't it? Now, before giving the recommendations, you need to make them understand about their psychometric part, about their aptitude part. You need to start slowly. You need to explain to them what's their personality, what's their interest, what's their motivators, what's their aptitude, what's their learning style, or whatever dimensions you want to explain. First, you need to explain them each and everything so that they will understand you have done lot of analysis, and once this thing is done, after that you will say, based on these kind of a thing, these are the career options most suitable for you and why suitable for you, and these are the career options not suitable for you and why it is not suitable for you, right? They can easily relate with. Are you getting my point? So it need to be done in a systematic manner. Pre-counseling, 360-degree analysis, provide the counseling, while providing the counseling, explain them the complete analysis, then come on the recommendation, justify that recommendations, and after that it will not end here. After this, you need to provide the complete execution plan. You need to conclude it, isn't it? You need to conclude it after that. Hey, now based on the joint discussion, based on the analysis, say we have shortlisted this career path that you also agree you would like to make your career with. Now for this career, this is a short-term plan, this is a mid-term plan, and this is a long-term plan. These are the things or subjects you need to choose now. These are the courses you should do in the graduation. These are the courses you should do in the post-graduation. These are the certificate courses you should do it of. and this is the long-term plan, and in this career path you can see yourself after 10 years in this position. You need to give the complete execution plan, and that also with full confidence. Trust me, when this session is over, okay, they are taking along with the recommendations your confidence. If you yourself are not confident, 100% they will not be confident, right? You have done the proper analysis, give them the proper recommendations. Now once recommendations are done, after that you should do a periodic review also. After 3 months, after 1 year, you should create the timetable, and you should see whether things are going as per the planning, or is there any deviation, some intervention is required. Do periodic follow-ups with them. After that, take a testimonial from them. If they are happy with your counseling, they should give a testimonial. These testimonials you can either take in your web page, you can take in the Google business page, but take it not on the paper. No, many counselors do this mistake. They take testimonials on the paper. Now when you are taking testimonial, it cannot be only limited to you. Now this testimonial you should take on some public sources, so that showing this testimonial you will get more and more students, isn't it? Simplest way is create your Google business page. It's a free of cost, and take testimonials in your Google business page. Getting my point? And after this, you know what's the last step? Still it's not over. Last step is reference. If they are happy with your counseling, I am sure they are connected with so many other students who are confused in their career, right? They are also looking for some genuine career counselor. Let them help others as well. Ask for 2 or 3 students references who want a similar kind of a counseling, and you can benefit thousands of the students, isn't it? This will close your entire counseling process, right? And gradually you can see your 1 counseling, after that 10 counselings, after that 15 counseling, then 50 counseling, then 100 counselings, and then you will find you are not having the time, continuously references. Complete system is developed where after some time you will not be having time only to provide that many counselings in a day, right? And trust me, we have seen this is happening with many counselors with us, right? You need to follow these simple steps. So this is what I wanted to cover in today's video. As I promised to you, all the pre-counseling templates and some of the other templates will be available in the description box. Go to the description box, you can download these kind of a template so that you will be benefited, and you can utilize these pre-counseling insights or these templates in your own counselings, isn't it? So that's it from my side. Now before leaving off, let me give you the idea of my next video. In next video, I am going to cover some real cases, some of the real counselings that we have conducted on the real students. I am going to guide you how you should analyze the entire report from top to bottom, how you should shortlist some of the career options, right? So if you like this video or you want such kind of a more knowledgeable video, please subscribe this channel, okay, so that you will get a real-time notification, and once we are loading another video, you will be the first one who are notified, and you will get benefit out of this video. So I am Ankit Agrawal. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.